Now if you still have the rope that's frayed attached, pull it all the way out. Okay. Take your pliers, pull out and cut the knot off. Okay. Pull it through. And then just refeed your new pull cord back through the same hole. Pull it up through. Tie a little knot. Just like so. Cut off the excess of the knot. Pull it tight. Let it go. That's all there is to it. Now, let's say that your cord had broken and the spring has discharged itself. Let me show you what we do in that instance. The broken cord we pull out, we cut a little knob that was still there, and this is already released itself. So let's just pretend that it has already done that. First thing we're going to do is get a length of 7 feet of pull cord, number 4 or 4.5. I would go 4. And put on the pull handle. And they're real easy too. All you got to do on that, let me show you. We'll just pretend we're starting from scratch here. Oftentimes, because this is an old rope, it's not necessary, but I burn the tip with my fingertips and I bring it all together. But I start by feeding this through. And it's usually pretty simple. You just feed it through, push the end over, and there you go. Grab that with some needle nose. Tie a small knot. Pull it back into the handle. That's how you put a handle on. Now, as far as the starter, you want to counterclockwise turn this thing all the way. And what you're doing, you're tensioning the spring. And you want to tension the spring until it stops. Okay, now it's at the end of its, as far as I can go. We're going to back it off one complete revolution. So, right there. And what I've done is I've lined up the hole of the pulley to the hole of the housing. And I just feed 7 feet of cord in there. Grab it with my pliers. And the cord runs about 45 cents a foot if you have to go purchase some. So you're talking this is going to cost you less than $3. Okay. Pull it tight. Let it go. And there you go. And you see the paws engaging. And just reinstall your blower housing. That's all there is to it.